I'm Chef Thad Smith. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to do a sausage and meatball casserole. This couldn't be any simpler. This is actually inspired from my years in restaurant kitchens. We would often do family meal, which was for the staff, and we would take whatever we had extra of and make them into something wonderful. And it was always for a big crowd. So many of these items you may already have in your freezer and refrigerator. Stay tuned for the next episode of Thad's Kitchen.